How to hide followers on Facebook profile. Here is a step-by-step guide. To begin with, launch the Facebook app on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right of the menu to go to your account settings. Next, scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Here, choose followers and public content. Once inside the followers and public content section, tap on who can see your followers on your timeline. This option allows you to adjust the visibility of your follower list. Now choose only me from the available option. By selecting this, you are restricting the visibility of your follower list, making it visible only to you. Finally, hit the save button at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes, and your follower list will be hidden from your Facebook profile. So this is how to hide followers on Facebook profile.